Hey everybody, so we have another Guess What's in the Box video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. This one's from Summit Racing. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, this is a box that I got some stuff in the mail from Summit Racing. I will give you a hint, it is for the 4Runner. So we're going to measure it. We'll go from there. This box is 14 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide by 14 inches and 1/8 of an inch long. And it is 5.5 inches deep. What do you guys think that's in this box? It's pretty comparable to Flowmaster muffler, but I'm 100% positive that's not what's in here. But if you guys get close to almost a perfect guess, or you guys guess exactly what you think is in this box, I will send out a Also Tools sticker as well as a Wrench Trench Garage sticker. Let me know down in the comments what you think is in the box. I do appreciate you guys' time. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video and playing along. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description, I have an Also Tools link with my initials on it. If you guys click on that link, it will give you 10% off of your order at alsotools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off on my next order at alsotools.com. I want to thank Mark over at Also Tools for giving me that link to provide to you guys, help you guys out. If you guys need any socket rails, you guys need any torque wrenches, precision torque screwdrivers, you name it, they probably have it. Universal sockets, swivels, they got some nice roto head ratchets and much more. You guys go give them a look, check them out, see what you guys think. If you guys find anything you like, use my link, get 10% off your order. It's a win-win for everybody. Do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!